Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create this 3D effect in Photoshop. Without wasting much time, let's start. We need to import our first image. So come to File and click on Open. Click on the image you want to use and hit on OK or Open. Now scale the image. Next, we need to come to our pen tool here. Now make sure you select shape. We select white background or white fill and cancel the stroke. You can use any color. Now zoom out, select the screen of the television like this to create a shape. Well, the shape is created. Now hit OK on the keyboard. We need to bring our second image. This time also go to File, but this time come down and select Place Embedded. This is our second image, so we place it. Let's scale it to our liking. Right click and then flip horizontal. Now push it to the television. Reduce the opacity to 50 so that we can see through what will happen after. So okay, so this is what we will get after. Okay, so let's scale it. Now come back and take back the opacity to 100. We need to duplicate the picture because we need two of it. You can use the Ctrl+J on the keyboard. I'm using the PC. If you are using Mac, you can use the Command and J on the keyboard. So I duplicate, hide the top one. Now select the down one, right click and create clipping mask. Now clipping mask is created. We need to unhide the top one. Come to the selection button here. Let's choose our quick selection tool because we need to cut out to get the image of it. We don't need the background. So select it. Now come here and select the subject. Well, now the subject is selected. We need to fix the edges of it, so you can click on the plus button here and fix the edges. Let's finish it by coming to select and mask here to select it. So now let's refine the hair. Okay, let's refine the hair. Now let's click on decontaminate colors here and hit OK. Now everything is good here. Next, we need to cut out the leftovers here. We need to fix the edges here. So what we'll do is select the mask here and make sure your foreground is black. Now select your brush, come here, choose a soft round brush. The hardness should be 0, and then select a soft one depending on the select the mask here and delete and remove the edges here. Remove the edges here. Well, now the edges are done. Next, we need to bring our third image, which is the particles. So we come back to File and Place Embedded again. You have our particles here. Let's scale our particles. Scale it. So we have it here. Click on OK on the keyboard. Now let's come to the blending mode here and blend it to screen. Choose screen. Okay, so now create a mask on it. Choose a background of black, your brush, and then reduce the flow to 27, and then delete the edges of the particles. So Control T to shift and scale it to your liking. Now if you feel you have to just come to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and let it give it. Let's blur the particles. Now we are at the final stage, so hit on Control, Shift, Alt, and E at the same time to duplicate the picture. Right click and convert to Smart Object. Now come to File, come to Camera Raw Filter. Now in Camera Raw Filter, let your temperature be -9 and come to Saturation and increase it to +29. Yeah. So this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. In case you've learned something, please hit the share button, comment, and comment. I will be leaving the images in the description so that you can also try with it. Thanks for watching. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.